Experience the ultimate fusion of style and performance. The Peugeot GT line has arrived, exclusively branded for Nextgate Kenya. Let's step inside and review perfection.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog of Majanex. Yeah, today we have a very beautiful vehicle, gari ya watoto ambayo inaitwa Peugeot GT line 2008 2018 model. So, wacha tufanye review moja kali kabisa. Guys, you can see the headlight ziko 250. They are 3D. You can see very smart. Just like that. And then it's using a 17-inch 205. You can see it's almost like a low profile. And this a GT line. You can see the label GT line. See this the side view of the GT line 2008 Peugeot. This is the side view. You can see we have the roof rack, very smart on left side, right side of the vehicle. You can see the finishing of it. That's the view, guys. This is the front of Peugeot GT line 2008 2018 model. You can see the grille finishing of it. You can see it's like that, and then you can see below there we have, you can see alafu wajajieka vibaya, wameka 250, wajaeka vibaya, yani waja toboa bumper. You can see zinakaa too sexy, unaona. Then we have the fog light, nitawakishia muone kwenye inakaa, and then you can see the clearance kwenye inatoshana. You can see the clearance kwenye iko, and then guys, wacha niwakishie fog light na daylight muone. Now guys, that is the daylight. You can see the beautiful of daylight. You can see how beautiful it is. And then fog light, they are color yellow. Hapo hakuanguka class. Then we have chimo ya kuvutia gari, we can tow a vehicle. And then hapa chini tuko na intake moja kali, moja wagon, and then wakamaliza na chrome hapa chini, so in case upate kashimo ama bump utaweza kumaneuver. And then this is the daylight. You can see kwenye inakaa. Yes, in fact wametoa gari fiti, ni classic, and then is a ready vehicle. wako na brakes fiti sana. You can see kwenye zinakaa at least, and then wameka pads nyuma na mbele, so it's meaning it's a GT line because kuna pad mbele na nyuma. You can see, and it's a 4-port. You can see it's a 4-port. Yeah, so chrome yenyewe inatumia mashimo 4. You can see, and tumesema mguu tumevarisha 205 50 R17, so kumaanisha mguu 17. And you can see side view ya light kwenye hiyo taa inawaka ukiwa mbali. Look like that. You can see, and then tukuje kwa handles za milango. You can see finishing yao iko fiti, and then you can use the manual key. Yeah, something like that. So that is a light side of the vehicle of 2008 Peugeot GT line. This is the left side of the vehicle. You can see the body is giving and is so big. By the way, hii gari ni size kama ya RAV4, and you can see penye inaka size yake ni kama ya RAV4, and then kifuniko yake mafuta wameweka kitu hapa. You can see, yeah, kitu smart sana. By the way, ina function vizuri sana. This is the light, the left side of the vehicle. Then kitu inanifurahisha ni shape. Unaona hii shape? Angalia hiyo shape. Wako na shape fiti sana. And then hapa nyuma, angalia, iko too good. Guys, now you can see the logo behind the vehicle, Peugeot. These are 2008 GT line, you can see the way wamemaliza hapa nyuma, wako na, unaona hiyo taa yao wenye wamemaliza nyuma, alafu iko na 2 stitches huku ndani, so ukiwa mbali unaona hiyo ulembo. So cameraman, karibia waonyeshe kitu, karibia waonyeshe hii, waonyeshe ndio wajue tuna drive Peugeot Sport. Angalia, waonyeshe hii. So and then from there cameraman waonyeshe tuna drive gari, wana drive gari gani. Peugeot 2008 GT line. Show them GT line. And then what we have here, tuko na hadi kitu ya kuvuta gari. Ukikwama tunavuta gari. So cameraman waonyeshe hiyo. And then after hapo nataka muone exhaust yake venye inakuja. Na bado tuko na kitu inaitwa sensor hapa, parking sensor. You can see. And then tumesema hii kitu ya kuvuta gari, unafungulia ile chuma. Then we have the beautiful chrome cover ya exhaust. You can see. And then we have a kata. Then ukifinya brake unaiona. So cameraman, give them a big view ya mbali. So boot nayo ni gani? Una press tu, inafunguka. So hapa inaweza toshea maybe seme 40 to 50 cabbages. And then we have this, you can see. After that we have the finishing of chrome here, where you get something like this. Cameraman, nini zako unaweka hapa, bible zako nini hapa, ama mizigo zako zinutaki. Then we have boot kubwa sana huku chini, press ya kuweka jack, mguu nini, spare parts. That's the good thing of this vehicle. So this is the view of the boot. Unaweza ona venye inakaa. By the way, it's a very very big boot. Na tumesema ukifungua boot inabakisha taa moja nje, because the other matazi kwa boot. So you can see the view, very very sexy and very very beautiful. Then headrest za nyuma ni crazy smart. So mnazoea kuprogiwa gari kutoka mbele, sasa tunaianza nyuma. So this is the left side of the vehicle. Wako na speaker smart sana. And then you can see how wamezieka, so smart. And then mlango imemalizwa na stitches. Kareva hakuna plastic mingi. You can see the way inaka, wajeka plastic mingi, you can see. And then there's a back seat. Back seat venye inakaa, wako na stitches za LED. Kiti nayo imeweza. This is the headrest. Na vya zinaka, so smart. And then mkikalia hapa wako fiti sana. Yes, you can see seat. Mtu mwenye amekaa mbele na mimi niko na space, a very very cool space. And then you can see underneath there we have somewhere to put your legs, so you can be comfortable. Cameraman, hebu jaribu kuwazumia waone how good this space is. And then remember, hii gari press yenye inafaa kuwa na armrest walifanya inaweza toshea watu 3, 100%. And then they are using Isofix viti zao. And then you can see the finishing of the seat, very beautiful. And then 12 volt here, you can charge using modulator. You can see we have 12% voltage. Then wacha tuangalie mbele sasa venye kuna kama maneno si mbele. So guys, this is the front side, yani press ya dele. You can see finishing of GT line. Tukimaanisha GT line tunamaanisha nini? Look the finishing of the GT line. You can see handle venye wameweka, speakers ziko in a good condition. Then we have the Peugeot logo. You can see the Peugeot logo here. You can see the Peugeot logo. And then viti wameweka seat warmer, ziko na seat warmer, you can see. And then what makes this vehicle smart? See air conditioner mahali ziko. Angalia tu mahali air conditioner ziko underneath of your feet. Alafu then mahadi breaker tuna zile leg brake uko chini, hapana. We have just two pedals, brake and accelerator, and then we have something called dashboard. Yeah, like that. So inaenda 230 kilometers. Then you can see how the beautiful that dashboard it is. We have the finishing line of color LED, you can see. And then when you turn the vehicle off, those stitches zinapotea. And then this is the monitor. You can see the monitor venye inaka. Yeah, something like that. And then steering yao iko fiti sana, si kubwa, nika kitu smart sana, si kubwa. You can see iko ina give ile nini inaitwa aje, ina give GT, yani sport mode, angalia. And then they have their logo here of Peugeot. Then we have control, and then you can see we have the stitches, red stitches na tushimoshimo kwa hiyo styling to make it look amazing. And then guys, you can see this one hiyo kani nikanawaka hapo ndani is so good, giving it a look. And then guys, we have this one. Yes, angalia hiyo, this is a carbon fiber, 100% carbon fiber. And then we have the monitor. You can see the monitor is not that big, but is giving the car look beautiful. And then we have AC control here with the GT line here, and then your USB, you can put your things here, those things. And then after that guys, hii ndio nataka kuonyesha kali. So guys, we have our controller ya gear, so smart. Wamemalizia fiti, you can see wamemalizia so beautiful. And then hapa pananifurahisha venye pako na kishimo, yani unaweza weka kitu yako hapa. Then from there we have the hard brake. Hii ndio nilikuwa nawaambia, angalieni hard brake, angalieni tu, hard brake, check it tu. Yes, and then we have this button ya kufinya moonroof. And then we have press, unaweza weka maji, inaweza toshea 2 liters of the bottle. And then kitu imenifurahisha ni finishing yao ya hapa. You can see we have nini za AC hapa. You can see we have a very beautiful finishing. And then hapa unaweza weka maji yako hapo, vitabu zako hapo. Then we have this one, in your fuse box. Unaweza fuse box zako zikileta ngoma ni hapo. So good one. And then the good thing of this thing ni ati moon yake iko fiti, moon lake yake iko fiti. Kameramani, kuja uwasho. Ndio hiyo, acha niwagurumishie waone. Onyesha venye na move. That beautiful. Yani ukidrive mahali po kuna kajua, unaona juu, you can see, and this 100% glass. Very good one. And then
the ultimate fusion of style and performance. The Peugeot GT line has arrived, exclusively branded for Nextgate Kenya. Let's step inside and review perfection.
Umepasha moto nafsi yangu, ukanifanya niamini, kila wingu limevunjwa kwa jina lako.